Morning. 8th standard science, medicinal plants. See, most of the plants are used for medicinal value. Medicinal value means the plant parts are used for to cure the different kinds of disease. It is called medicinal plants. In India, so there have been a large number of biodiversity. The world they have in 12 mega biodiversity. India is also one of the mega biodiversity. Today we discuss about the first plant, medicinal plant is called a Acalypha indica. Acalypha indica. Acalypha indica. So here, so this plant is called Acalypha indica. So they have a special structure, a special type of flower. So it is called Acalypha indica. The Tamil name is Kuppaimeni. The Tamil name is Kuppaimeni. So this belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. So they belong to the family. It is called Euphorbiaceae. So the paste is obtained from second point. So the paste is obtained from the leaves. The paste so obtained from the leaves. They use it for the cure the bone on the skin. It's the best medicine to cure the bone on the skin. The skin is become the bone. So these leaves are converted into a paste-like structure. They apply the surface of the skin. So the totally the sore is cured. So it is called a paste-like structure. So next one, the juice of the plant. Third point, the juice of the plant mixed with the lime water. So lime juices, or they have a lemon juices. So these leaves are converted into juice-like structure. The juice is mixed with the lemon juice. They use it for to kill the ringworm disease. Ringworm. So the ringworms are occurring in a human body. So they cure the ringworm disease. So this plant is Acalypha indica. It belongs to Euphorbiaceae family. Then the paste of the leaf or the leaves are converted into paste-like structure. They apply the burning skin. So the disease become to cure. Then the leaf is converted into a juice-like structure. Juice. The juice is mixed with the lemon juices. It is used for to cure the ringworm disease in human being. Second plant, Aegle marmellus. Aegle marmellus. So the Tamil name is called Vilvam. Tamil name is called Vilvam. So this plant is this seed, this fruit is called a Vilvam, not Velambalam. Here they have in a Vilvam. So they use it for most of the temples. They present most of the temples. So the Vilvam belongs to the family Rutaceae. Rutaceae. So the Vilvam, so the use belongs to the family is called the Rutaceae. The fruits are two types of fruits. One is called the ripening fruits, another one is called the unripening fruits. Ripening fruits means they have any ordinary fruits. So the unripening fruits in Tamil is called a koi. So they have any unripening fruits used for the treatment of, so treated with indigestion. So they have the second point, unripening fruits used for the treatment of indigestion. So used for the indigestion, undigested problem. So they have any unripening fruits. Is also used for, third point, is also used for cure chronic, used for the chronic diarrhea. Chronic, they have any diarrhea. Sudden diarrhea. Sorry, chronic means they occur in a prolonged time. The diarrhea occur more than 1 minute. It is called the chronic. Acute means suddenly. Here the chronic diarrheas are cured by the Vilvam. And also used for the dysentery. To also cure the dysentery. So the Vilvam belongs to the family Rutaceae. So the unripening fruits are used for the treatment of indigestion. And also they cure the chronic diarrhea and dysentery. So the next plant is called Solanum trilobatum or labitum. In Tamil name, it is called Thuduvalai. So this plant belongs to the family Solanaceae. Solanaceae family. The leaves and the fruits used for cure the cough and the cold. First point. Second point, leaves and the fruits used for to cure the cough and cold. It's the best medicine for the cough and the cold. And also the widely used for the treatment of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. So otherwise called TB. Tuberculosis. And branchial asthma. So branchial asthma. Ready? Asthma. So they have in a Solanum trilobatum, Thuduvalai, the family Solanaceae. The leaves and the fruits are used for the cough and cold, and they have also used for the treatment of tuberculosis, TB or branchial asthma. So next plant, so they have Phyllanthus amaris. Tamil name is called Keela Nelly. Why it is called the Keela Nelly? The lower part of the leaf, listen, the lower part of the leaf they have in a seeds are present. So it is called Keela Nelly. Sometimes they present the upper part is called in a Meva Nelly. So the Keela Nelly belongs to the Euphorbiaceae family. Family Euphorbiaceae. Second point, it is used for the treatment of jaundice. This is used for the treatment of jaundice. This is the best medicine for the jaundice. In additional strength of the human liver. So strength of the human liver. So it's also they prepare the tonic for the strength of the liver. And also used for the liver disorder. Liver disorder. So the Phyllanthus amarus, Keela Nelly, belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. So they used for the better treatment for the jaundice. And also they used for the treatment of the strength given to the human liver. And also they used for the treatment of a liver disorder. So the next plant is called aloe vera. This otherwise called Sotru Katralai. Sotru Katralai is belongs to the family Liliaceae. The family Liliaceae. So the leaves of the plants are used for to cure the bile disease. It's the best medicine for the bile disease. And also they use it for the inflammation of the skin. Next one is called they are used for the peptic ulcer. This is also used for the peptic ulcer. Thank you very much.